Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's VeChain update guys. And VeChain hasn't still lost its structure, but I still have doubt right now if VeChain is gonna hold its own structure because of how Bitcoin is looking itself. Now I say this many times in the channel. Coins, these altcoins on themselves, they always look good on the chart. They always are like having these bullish patterns and no issues at all. But then again, when it comes down to the Bitcoin movements, it just doesn't let them breathe. Okay, so this one, even though it is in a technical journey to go to 0.059, it might not happen. And the reason why it might not happen is just because simply Bitcoin is going to do something about it. If Bitcoin starts to go down, they don't have the power on themselves to go up. It's very, very rare case. Some coins, they actually go against Bitcoin. I do know. But you cannot say 100% they're going to go against Bitcoin because most of them, especially VeChain, is like bounded with Bitcoin, like absolutely glued to the movements of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is good, this is gonna be good. If Bitcoin is bad, it's gonna be bad. Now, even though you still have nearly a morning star right there, that's a bullish pattern, and if you start to actually form that to lose this level 0.04558, then you're looking to actually go more down. And if you start to lose this neckline as well, then you're gonna go even way more down. Okay, but we did saw it coming down to the neckline, bouncing off the neckline. At this point of time, at least, nothing is abandoned and nothing is invalidated because you didn't invalidate the morning star, you didn't go below the support level. So I cannot really try to push down your confidence level and say, oh, we're gonna dump. But there is a possibility. The reason why I'm saying that it's possible is because the Bitcoin, right? It's always the Bitcoin. And if you guys are still interested to learn how I'm teaching you this trading course, you can take the trading course now. And the link is in the description of this video. You guys can give it a check and a view and think about it. Okay, there's a lot of things that you're actually going to learn when I teach you even the money management and how much you should be investing, what you should do when it comes to trading, of course, so that you can be making better decisions out there in the market and you can ride the tides of cryptocurrencies. Okay, so yeah, so this VeChain, let's dive into the 4-hour time frame as well. All right, now on the 4-hour time frame, it seems like you still have more room to actually breathe to go to the downside. Okay, or are you trying to actually just retest this level? It could be possible that you are just retesting a level that you broke out of. So let me dive into the 1-hour time frame because we saw this pushing to the upside. So let me talk about this level, and it seems like it's so far it's finding support right here. Okay, so all you did was you were trying to go up like this, you broke out of it, you came back to the support and you're holding support right here, and this is on the 1-hour time frame. But still, let me show you Bitcoin as well. So Bitcoin here is pushing itself to the downside, and you can see that on the 4-hour time frame we're potentially about to make this 3 black rows, and that's not good. When it on the 4-hour time frame, it's not good. It's not just good. Okay, it was failing. I was expecting one thing yesterday's, even I mentioned this one on the Discord as well, that I was expecting Bitcoin on the 1-hour to move sideways and then go to the upside. But the thing is that there was this consolidation sideways just like that. I'm going to show you just like this one, move sideways like this and push to the upside. But the thing is that it pushed to the downside and weekend is upon us. But I'm expecting a little bit of pullback for Bitcoin up to 41,744. Now the question is, it could also be a fake out. Yeah, it could also be a fake out, and then you go up. That's something that I want to point out, and that's the reason why I can't just say anything about VeChain as well. If VeChain is going to go to the downside, it's a little bit early, it's a little bit of a tough call right now. But the thing is that let's say you do break this level on Bitcoin, so keep an eye on Bitcoin at 42,500. Yeah, then it's a fake out. Okay, if you go above it, back test it, you're gonna go here and you're gonna find resistance at the $44,000. But you still have to cross this level, and I'm not gonna trade unless you don't cross that level and successfully hold this level until you move to the upside. So that's it for today's update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.